Currently, we use Wi-Fi, that is wireless fidelity, or mobile data for internet, data transmission, and communication. Though it is quite efficient for household purposes, it does have many loopholes. It has weak security, low bandwidth, and low speed. Li-Fi, a short form for light fidelity, is a wireless technology that makes use of visible light communication instead of radio waves. Li-Fi works by sending data through an LED light bulb that varies in intensity faster than the human eye can notice. Here I've presented a simple Li-Fi circuit showing how to transmit music through LED light across a given distance, using only LED light without creating any fluctuations in the LED and yet transferring the light with perfection. The unit is divided into 4 sections: the input unit, the transmitter unit, the receiver unit, and the output unit. The input unit is basically any device like a mobile phone, tablet, or laptop on which music is being played. The audio input is transferred to the transmitter unit through a cable. The LED present in the transmitter circuit transmits the data from the input unit to the solar panel through light. This audio data, which is in the form of light, is received by the solar panel, which then transfers it to a receiver circuit through a cable. The receiver circuit is designed using IC2025, an audio amplifier integrated circuit. The receiver is connected to a speaker, to which it gives the data in the form of electronic signals. The final output, amplified audio data, is played by the speaker. This is the actual project circuit that I have built. Now I will show how it works. As I explained in the block diagram, this is the input unit, this is the transmitter circuit, this is the solar panel, this is the receiver circuit, and this is the speaker. As I plug in the cord of the transmitter circuit into the laptop, the LED here glows. As I switch on the circuit, the LED here will glow as an indicator and the circuit will start working. The audio input goes from the input unit to the transmitter circuit through this cable, from the transmitter circuit to the solar panel through light, from the solar panel to the receiver circuit through this cable, and finally from the receiver circuit to the speaker through this cable, from where you can hear it. Now, I will place my hand between the LED and the solar panel. Now you cannot hear any sound as the light is obstructed. Now as I remove my hand, we can again hear the sound. Thus my project, audio amplification through light fidelity, works. Light fidelity is used for a variety of purposes. It is used in airlines for internal communication, as light does not interfere with the equipment on the aircraft that relies on radio waves, such as its radar. It is used in operation theatres, as light waves have little effect on the medical instruments and the patient's body, unlike radio waves. In undersea explorations, communication is done through Li-Fi systems, as light can travel through water. Li-Fi is used for infant health monitoring, as if radio waves are used, they can have a bad effect on the infant's health. It is also used in offices. The usual lights can be used to provide connectivity along with light, and the advantages can be availed by the workers in the office. The speed of light being faster than the speed of radio waves, Li-Fi offers a very high speed, about more than 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. LED bulbs can be utilized to allow data transfer with a speed of up to 224 gigabits per second, which equates to downloading around 18 movies, each of 1.5 gigabytes, in every single second. Wi-Fi is capable of using radio frequencies ranging from 2.4 to 5 GHz only, Hence, it provides a low bandwidth. The frequency of Li-Fi is 2 lakh GHz. Hence, it offers a huge bandwidth. Radio waves, which are used in Wi-Fi connections, can pass through walls, that is, through physical barriers. This not being the case with Li-Fi. As light cannot pass through physical barriers, it offers higher security and has less chances of being hacked. Internet from Li-Fi cannot be used without a light source. As Li-Fi uses visible light, which cannot penetrate walls, there is limitation of range while using it. Other light sources, such as tube lights and sunlight, can cause interference with the signal. It is very probable that in the future, Wi-Fi will be replaced by Li-Fi, given its many advantages. One of the innovations that can be made using the concept of light fidelity is a Li-Fi based unit that will use internet from the SIM card, local area network, that is LAN connection, or public Wi-Fi, and create a hotspot with the device. It will be portable and can be kept next to a device like a laptop or a tablet. The high-speed security and bandwidth facilities can be availed, as well as portability and low cost will make it feasible.